Hello, Nisco Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a little unboxing video of a Hasbro Beyblade. It is Beyblade Burst Pro Series ORB Eagle, or whatever it's called. So yeah, it's D72PR number 6. 06. So yeah, here's the back. Comes with Sting. Yeah, wait. Because I'm probably using this Sting. Yeah. For one of the other bays, or I'm not sure yet. Comes with the right parts. I have these guys. The Karatomi one. And the Hasbro one. And in between will be the Pro Series one. Actually, Pro will be over here. So yeah. Where's my knife? Where's my knife? Why is my thing going off? Oh, that's what. Let me grab a knife. Okay, so I'm talking, yeah. This is on the Beyblade thing, so yeah. Okay, sorry. There you go. Okay, let me actually get this my box cutter. A knife. First, I'm actually getting these. I wasn't expecting this. Luckily I actually did go, because I wasn't going to go after work. Because I went to work late. And yeah, everything. Here's the light launcher 2, or Hasbro. Basically, this is a TT launcher. Here's the QR code. It actually does work pretty well. Oh god. Boom. I think they're stickers. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, here's the stickers. I'll be putting these stickers on. So yeah, let me show you the QR codes, and yeah. Yeah, this actually looks pretty cool. For the Pro Series, everything like that. I haven't shown this on my channel yet, so yeah. Here's the stickers, QR codes right there, scan for the Burst app. I'll probably do that later on in a different video. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Okay. Ow. It sat on something. I mean, yeah. Put my knee on something, and yeah, now my knee hurts because of it. Okay, let's get this. I'm probably gonna keep this box. Oh god. It definitely looks like TT. Let's see. Move these out over here. This came in about what set this came in. And this was the 4 bay thing. And yeah, that looks good. Actual metal. TT. Right here, Hasbro. Sting. A normal, normal Sting. And Orbit. Or not Orbit. Okay. It actually works. Ow. I don't know what happened there. Here's my used one. Brand new one, used. Because this one is really fun. So yeah. There we go. And of course the teeth. Pretty good. Teeth on Hasbro base. Not heard of. But yeah. I'm going to be doing a battle between these three later on. So let me put the stickers on this one and be right back with you guys. Okay, I'm back. So yeah. Let me just launch these up. So Takeda told me it's right here. Hasbro with the weird one, and then the new Hasbro one. So yeah. There we go. Let's do a few test battles between these two and Hasbro, my new Hasbro Stadium, because I want to use this one and it'll look really cool. You can actually see it. So yeah, let's go. Here's the launcher. I'm going to show you how this do really quick. Yeah, this is why I don't use these. No. Okay. Let's get my launcher right here. I'm going to launch each one. Okay, TT wins that one. Yeah, TT wins that one. Let me launch TT first. Yeah. It's gonna be 2 points. Okay, there we go. TT. Okay, TT wins that one. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.